Hey friends, guess what's for lunch today? Now you might look at this, you might think, Kathy, in your other videos, you've said that you and John are eating a little bit healthier. Are those noodles? Well, they are noodles, but not real noodles. However, can we just all get on the same page with something? Cauliflower and zucchini cannot fix everything. Some things yes, some things no. And honestly, zucchini noodles, not my thing. Well, so I saw this in the store a few months ago, and we did a test with some marinara, and now I did my test here with some chicken, a little bit of alfredo, and some shaved Parmesan, because that's the level of bougie in this house, is shaved Parmesan, if that tells you anything. So some chicken, but let me show you this. It's called Pasta Zero, and it's actually made of mushrooms, I guess, exactly. So this stuff is really good. So let me tell you a little bit about this entire package. Is in my container here. And so the entire package is 45 calories and 5 grams of fiber and 10 grams of carbs. So the net carbs in this is 5 for the entire package. Now the chicken I happen to be using, normally, I just make some chicken, but I actually found this at the store. This is a Bourbon Brother garlic Parmesan chicken. So I was just able to microwave this really fast. This entire package has 0 carbs. So there's no fiber, no carbs. No fiber, no carbs. So it's just the chicken breast in a garlic Parmesan sauce. I added a little bit of some leftover what's that white sauce? Alfredo. A little bit, just a tiny bit just to add in here. And guys, it's fantastic. So don't be afraid to go just try out new stuff. So this Pasta Zero spaghetti, I've made this before with the Rouse marinara to keep it low carb, and added some meatballs to it. And even John liked it. So we have replaced our pasta with this Pasta Zero. Neither one of us are really a fan of the zucchini noodles. And this is a spaghetti-shaped shirataki. So it just has a better kind of noodle taste to it. And let's be real, when you add cheese, sauce to anything, obviously it's going to make it magically delicious, which it did. So again, for my lunch today, some noodles with the garlic Parmesan, with some garlic Parmesan chicken. And it's filling, it's delicious. And again, if you want to get bougie, put a little of shaved Parmesan on it. But, oh, my earrings? Oh, well, thank you for asking. So these are a nice little treat that I got myself from my friend Julie, who is doing the Park Lane jewelry. So if you have any interest in something like this, let me know and I'll hook you up with my girl. All right. Hope you enjoy.